Well, Elizabeth brought home a paper yesterday, and I'm like, the homework papers, I'm like, I have no idea. Jacob, come look at this and tell me how to do it. At least I have two of them in the same grade.
That's true.
Because then you can, yeah, that's
Addie, hopefully she'll remember things. She can kind of remember that. And they're all
I hear you get a visitor every once in a while. She has other students she needs to take care of. You are not hers anymore.
How are you? Good. You're coming tomorrow. They're excited. Are you going to stay for the rally? Yeah, so we're going to have our
So are Sam and Andy here tonight?
So I'll try to
If I had known that.
Oh, that's
we can slow it down.
Well, at least Jacob started this last year.
Okay, good.
But at least he knew what he was doing. I had no clue.
That's what we did it. Right, plus we'll have the video. Just watch it, but we didn't start until mid-year.
Right.
We were still through kinks, so.
Well, I asked Molly if she's got any scholarships. You know,
But they're working on a group right now, so they're we're doing none of the other words offenders.
but I have to say, out of the family, she is the best scholar.
She's working hard.
Out of our family, she is. So I don't know.
She was like a red herring.
Fantasy flight. You missed it earlier because we were looking at it. So even with the teachers, we were like, what is that?
Yeah, I had to go by. Yes. Yes.
And then we got down. There were some kids that were
Well, sometimes I had to look at the heading to find.
we took a class last year. They gave us one of the derivational swords to do, and it was ridiculous. We say, I never been teaching. They gave it to us as a they didn't have to do it every single day. So we were packing
So you're trying to figure out the category.
yeah, so we're trying to figure it out. Yeah, we're trying to figure it out. So we did say, you're going to be nice to oh, no. And then there's times we go, picture of was it man? Was it shame? Was it fear? So sometimes I'm
Eyes on your own papers.
Are you coming tomorrow? What did you put in
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna go out on the hall. I'm hesitating. I know what it means. Right. What happens at the table? Stay in the house.
How's he doing? Oh, really?
The way that she says it, isn't it exactly the ass? But each has
Yes, that's gotta come. So it's just pretty straightforward.
She would have had so much.
Some sort of
She said to me the other day. Oh my God, my husband would never go to a wedding by himself. Maybe look at it.
The kids are
Then you go back. What?
That's my.
Everybody's so fun.
Now, if your child had just brought this home, this is the sort that they had done. What you asked to get them to reflect is to say, what did you notice? So we ask you, what is it that you noticed? What pattern did you notice? How did you sort? You want to get your child to be reflective of the words and how they chose to sort the words. You also, if your child is struggling with something, go ahead and give it to them. You want them to hear how to say the word. If they don't know how to read it, some of the words you can't sound out. So it's okay if you just say, this is the word. So For some, is that all right? Some people thought this was a gate. The answer key says it's a gate. As teachers, we have to look at the answer key sometimes. But for some, they put it in fence, and so they put it under oddball. So you hope that your child remembers what it is because we've covered it in class in small group. So you can say, what was this? Now your kid may go, I don't know. So then ask them, where do you think it belongs? Knowing what the pattern is. So is anyone brave enough to tell us what the pattern is they noticed? Or be reflective. What is something where you go, yeah, I see how this could help my child be a better speller, to notice patterns. I don't know how to spell this word, but I know what word follows that pattern to then help them. Does anyone want to be brave and say, I noticed this, or I sorted it this way, or even this gave me trouble. I didn't know where to put this.
I'll take credit for what someone else came up with. In the long A sound, the E makes the A say its name. So the A, E pattern.
Ah. And it's okay if your child doesn't notice a pattern, but you do share it with them. Sometimes it's those little spelling secrets that then can help motivate them to want to learn others. Does anyone want to share out which ones they have under cake? Just so everyone can check themselves, because we didn't actually put an answer key up there. Oh, go for it.
Okay, we have face, make, page, came, name, same, gate, rate, made.
Bingo! So does anyone have any other words in that that he didn't say?
So that one doesn't go.
Really?
Do you want to read your cat column as well?
Okay. Under cat, we have grass, sack, bath, glass, last, bat, snap, ask, mad.
Anyone have something different? Or something that was there or not there? And the oddballs.
I have hand, what, and whale.
So at this moment, based on what you did, are there any questions before we move on?
Any differences?
Yeah, that's what I want.
Is there anyone who has an aha of, oh, I think I like this. I think I can see how this will benefit my child. Because they will be doing this in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. So this will continue on over the next 2 years.
And don't forget, the website is going to be there, so anytime you need to, oh yes, closed sort, let me go, blind sort, open sort, you'll be able to have access, right, to watch it right again, so that you can familiarize yourself at any point with what it is in an example.
So hopefully your student also can be the best resource.
Yeah, and if you had the whale, did anyone have whale in someplace other than the oddball? Where did you have whale? Under cake. So depending, when we were talking about this at one of the groups, depending on how you say the word too, if you say it as whale, you can hear that long A, the A in it. And when they start to see the spelling pattern on it too, you'll see that it follows that same pattern, the vowel, consonant, E. So whale really was a long vowel A word. And did you have another one that should have been not in the oddball?
Even know what
Have that conversation.
So the next sort that we're going to show you is called an open sort. And the difference between the closed sort and the open sort is that in an open sort, they don't have the headers. The headers are kind of the guide for them of how they should sort it. But in an open sort, there are no headers, and it's up to them to kind of make the categories. And I think somebody had mentioned that before, of how they may sort it in a different way, but then should be able to explain why they sorted it that way. Okay, so we're going to show you another video of how we complete an open sort, and we won't have you try this one, unless you want to.
So we're going to show you now an open sort that you can use not the first